Big thank you to Juan. Sponsored by Mountain Dew. What is up, my guys? This is an expenditure update. We finally have the trailer in a somewhat respectable fashion. So I'm going to do some math here on the screen for you so you can see what the total expenses have been so far. We replaced the jack, the rolling trailer jack. The video will be somewhere up here if you'd like to see that video. We replaced the winch. Video will be somewhere up here. We just replaced the roller. The roller was pretty beat up. We just replaced the bunks. Old bunks, broken, cracked in half. That happened today, but it's gonna be a separate video. Video is gonna be up here. We replaced these torsion axles. That's rusted and completely shot. If you saw the video before, which I will leave up here when we first bought the boat, torsion axles were completely rusted and gone. Unfortunately, you have to replace the entire axle. Those are the new axles. New wheels. As remember in the other video, the wheels were all cracked. This guy, you can actually see those cracks. You can see cracks on the walls as well. On the side, wheel wall was basically gone. Some of this work done by us, some of the work done by Dixie Trailer. Now is the fun part, loading the boat back on. We got to make sure that we center the boat perfectly on the trailer so that we can put our guides in. So that should be the next step before this rain comes. Big thank you to Juan. Sponsored by Mountain Dew. The old bunks that we got to figure out where we drop off. But that's where we're at expenditure wise. I'm gonna have the total here on the screen. Again, this series of videos is basically to show you guys complete transparency, what we're spending to get this boat in the water in a safe manner, all the pluses that we're doing to make our lives easier when we're using the boat. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, like and subscribe. We're gonna be putting out more videos like this. Appreciate it.